HubSpot offers a suite of sales tools to streamline your sales processes and enhance customer relationships. Here's a concise guide on using HubSpot for sales. Contact management. Use HubSpot CRM to organize and track your contacts, leads, and customers in a centralized database. Deal tracking. Create deals to manage your sales pipeline, track progress, and forecast revenue. Email tracking. Enable email tracking to receive notifications when recipients open and interact with your emails. Templates. Utilize email templates to send consistent and personalized communications to leads and clients. Sequences. Automate follow-up emails with sequences to nurture leads and manage outreach efficiently. Task management. Assign and manage tasks, set reminders, and prioritize activities within the CRM. Meeting scheduling. Integrate HubSpot with your calendar to allow leads and clients to schedule meetings easily. Lead scoring. Assign scores to leads based on their interactions, helping prioritize follow-ups. Document tracking. Track document views to gauge prospect interest and engagement. Reporting. Access sales analytics to assess team performance, deal progression, and revenue forecasts. Integration. Integrate HubSpot with other tools like email clients, marketing platforms, and communication tools. Automated workflows. Set up workflows to automate manual tasks, ensuring efficient lead nurturing and follow-ups. Real-time notifications. Receive instant notifications for important events like website visits, form submissions, or deal updates. Communication history. Keep track of all interactions with leads and clients, providing context for more meaningful conversations.